Alright.
Really
Alright, guys.
special train.
We got a pretty special thing here.
We got ourselves a bluebird.
Yep. A CEFX leased unit Bluebird.
Pretty special to be on Canadian.
Really leased. So, I mean, yeah, it's kind of special enough for it to be on a train because it's not often, but it's leading. Woohoo! 10:45 and 88:94, 98. Woohoo! It's a big old stacker. Wow. Oh. What you looking at?
Whoa!
What? Whoa! Oh yeah. It's 13 minutes before the Hiawatha gets in. Wow. See, I told you that usually a few minutes before the Hiawatha comes in, there's a usually a few minutes before or after a Hiawatha comes in. Oh, sorry. There's a freight that comes through.
See, we're not trespassing.
Yeah. Yep, we are standing behind the yellow line. Alright, Dad, show the train. Instead, not the, what do you call it?
Huh?
Never mind. Man, this is fucking awesome. Whoa, they just have an empty well car in between a bunch of, oh, two of them. How did I not notice the first one? Oh yeah, because I'm totally stupid like that. Thank you. Wow. Yeah. I'm sorry, I just can't get over the fact that we caught a bluebird leading. Today is amazing.
And we got ourselves, we're gonna have ourselves some special.
Yeah, just some special trains. Yeah, some special stuff on Union Pacific that we will be moving to, that we will be leaving the station, the airport station here, and going over into back to West Dallas. I am not real fan there forever. For some nice Union, yeah, for a nice, once again, Union Pacific return, you know. So, yeah. For one or two great trains. I'm sorry, an amazing train and a great train. There we go. And here comes the end of this. Wow. I like how Canadian Pacific never overpowers. Except for that one train that you and I saw with the four Devos. That was a bit overpowered. But still, you know.
Oh, look at that.
But usually, yeah, but more often than not, Canadian Pacific is underpowered. freight train. Nice big old stacker. Alright, and pretty soon we should have